Description of soldering condition setting. Pressing the soldering condition button from the startup screen opens the soldering feed parameter setting screen. At first, enter the setting temperature at the iron tip. For example, entering 350 allows soldering at 350. When a blank column is not entered, soldering uses temperature displayed in the HU-200. The soldering condition consists of the primary soldering, secondary soldering, and third soldering for which the condition is set in accordance with the soldering object by setting feeding amount, feed rate, return amount, returning rate, and heating time. A total of 250 cases can be registered for the soldering condition.